Welcome to our channel. If you want to add TSA PreCheck to your airline ticket, follow this full tutorial to enjoy expedited security screening at the airport. Step 1. Make sure you're already enrolled in the TSA PreCheck program and have received your known traveler number or KTN. Step 2. When booking a new flight, look for a field that says Known Traveler Number, TSA PreCheck Number, or Redress Number during the Passenger Information section. Step 3. Enter your 9-digit known traveler number in the appropriate field when booking your ticket. Step 4. For existing reservations, visit your airline's website and log into your account or access your reservation using your confirmation code. Step 5. Navigate to Manage Booking, View Change Trip, or a similar option to access your reservation details. Step 6. Look for the Traveler Information or Secure Flight Information section, where you can add or update passenger details. Step 7. Enter your known traveler number in the designated field and save your changes. Step 8. Verify that TSA PreCheck appears on your boarding pass when you check in for your flight. If it doesn't appear, contact your airline's customer service or add the number to your frequent flyer profile to automatically apply it to future bookings, and arrive at the airport to use the TSA PreCheck lanes for faster security screening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.